This meeting is being recorded.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Farifan Mughadali with number 30208. Okay, today I will present my assignment 1, which is about a student budget calculator. Okay, here we can see I have a 3 file, which is the first in the main.dat. For the main.dat, it only have the connection with the home and we want to open the splash page. Next, we go for the splash page. Okay, for the splash page, we have instead and we make the feature delay, which is we delay it to the 3 second, and after that we push the page to the home page. For the splash screen, we have a scaffold. In the scaffold, we have a image, and also we put the singular progress indicator, and also for the loading text, which is singular progress indicator, which means we want to notice the user we have a progress and also have a text loading. Okay, next we go for the home.dat. Here is a home page for this project, which is here we can see we have one image here, which is logo, and also we have tag to the welcome to the student to the budget calculator, and also we have 2 text field, which is first text field is enter your budget amount, and the second text field is enter your expenses amount. And also we have a 2 button, which is first button we have the calculate button. Here we can see we have put the logic to calculate the budget, which is remaining is equal to budget minus the expense. And if remaining less than 0, then the the apps will pop up. We play the sound, which is the alert sound. And next we go for the reset button. And for the reset button, if user click the reset button, also the text field will clear, and also it will set state the remaining to the 000. And also here we have another text, which is for the output text, which is here if remaining more than and equal to 0, he will pop up your remaining budget is amount, remaining dot to string as fixed to, which is easier. We have set it to 2 decimal point, else you are over budget. Next we go for the color. If a color is less than 0, then the color was red, else the color will black. Okay, that's all for the coding part. Now I will demo the application. Okay, now here we can see here have a logo here, and also have a text. We have 2 text field, which is enter the budget amount and enter the expense amount, and we have 2 button, which is calculate and reset, and also we want text for the output. Okay, I want to demo how the system function. Now we want, let's say you will have a budget of 500, and you have only spent for 300, and when you click the calculate, so your remaining budget is RM 200 and the color still black. Okay, let's say we want to make you are over budget, which is you expected is 3,000 and your budget is 500, and we click the calculate, you are over budget, and the sound will pop up. If you can hear, he have a sound, you are over budget, and he will state how much you are over. And let's say you click the reset, all the text field will reset, and also the output here also will be reset. Now I want to show the splash screen. I will restart first the app, and you can see the splash screen later. Okay, here the splash screen with logo, singular progress indicator, and also the loading. Okay, I think that's all for me for the assignment or presentation. Thank you.